In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now, to access settings, click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Then hit settings at the top and choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Now you can manage all of those options however you wish though. And when you finished, click on the top right corner. Then select bottom one again. This time though, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Apply, and choose the best option for you. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!